Introducing the 2023 Volvo XC40 Rchrg Ultimate 5-door auto in stunning grey. This sleek electric vehicle is not only environmentally friendly, but also packed with top-of-the-line features for utmost comfort and safety. From the ambient lighting and satellite navigation to the collision avoidance, braking and lane departure warning, this car has it all. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on the chance to own this exceptional car. Call us today or visit our website spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive in style and peace of mind with the 2023 Volvo XC40 Rchrg Ultimate 5-door Auto.